Christy from My Workout Buddy, and I'm here to show you how to make faux chocolate ice cream. And this is one of my favorite recipes. I think it's absolutely sneaky because it's basically a smoothie that's been condensed, and it makes you think that you're eating ice cream because there's basically just less liquid in it, whereas most people will make a smoothie and fill the liquid all the way up. But here you're actually going to be eating with a spoon and a bowl. So here we go. Frozen strawberries, you can get it at any grocery store. And you want to dump in like an inch layer, which is approximately a cup of frozen strawberries. And you can do this with any fruit, you know. I just like strawberries with chocolate because it seems to make sense to me. About right. So, just so you know, there is 90% of your daily value in vitamin C in this bag. Fiber, vitamin C, fantastic antioxidant. It's one of those water solubles that's just incredibly good for your body, so keep it on hand. Now, 1 scoop of whey protein powder. Depending on your needs, your protein needs, you might need more. I like 1. That's 18 grams of protein in a scoop. You can just dump it in there. Fantastic whey protein, but you know, I love Whey Factors. I can get it at a little local health food store, or you can get it on Amazon. But if you have your favorite, if you are a vegan, by all means, use whatever protein powder makes you happy. This is just my go-to and the one I like. Then you want about a tablespoon of dark chocolate cocoa powder. Now, I know some people like the regular kind. Dark chocolate cocoa powder actually has a fair amount of iron in it, so it's super good for you. Only 10 calories, 0 sugar. Check this out. There's 250 milligrams of potassium and 10% of your daily value of iron. So it's like, I'm gonna get chocolate and it's good for me. Hold the phone. Right. So you just kind of dump it in. You can eyeball it. 2 tablespoons-ish, because I could use a little more iron in my diet. And then, you know, just because I don't want a big sugar bomb, personally, I like to use a sugar-free syrup. You can find it in the regular syrup section. And it just, you know, adds a little bit of sweetness to it. It doesn't have to be overboard or anything. And then the milk is entirely up to you. I tend to like an unsweetened cashew milk, and here's why. Low calories, really, it's 25 calories for a whole cup. And you got like 40% of your need for calcium and D. Is it 40% for D? 25% for D and 45% for calcium. So it's just really rich in nutrition. Shake it up, throw it in. And really do not need much. You're not even covering the ingredients inside of the blender. So we're gonna hit it and then see how the consistency is in a moment. Take it off, get a spoon, and smush it down. Bowl is handy too. So you're scraping down the sides and making sure the fruit is back under the blades. I can already see the consistency coming out really nice. Look at that. It's like seriously chocolatey. I can smell it. Maybe another splash, not much. I mean, really, we're talking dribbles here. That might have been a tablespoon. I know I'm being a little imprecise, but I'm more of a mad scientist. whip it too much. If you get too much air in it, it's going to be really like fluffy and weird. Oh yeah. Okay, so it's ready. Look how thick that is. It's just, gravity is not even taking it. So you scrape the ice cream off the blades. Get as much as you can. You don't want to waste a bit. Look at that. Okay. So this is truly a smoothie. That's really all it is a smoothie. Look at that. The consistency of chocolate ice cream, and it tastes delicious. Anyway, my chocolate ice cream, little fake on that, and it is delicious on post workout meals. Great for a little breakfast if you're in a hurry. This is a pretty quick one to make. It's also a nice evening dessert. My husband is consistently asking me for our evening dessert. Can I have ice cream? Wow. Can you imagine if children asked for this? I mean, how healthy is that? Anyway, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please hit the like button. Also subscribe, and I look forward to showing you my next recipe next time.